welcome back to Miss Ocasio Reads. I'm Miss Ocasio and I'm so excited to read with you today. Did you know that all kids have a superpower? It's true! Every child in the whole world has the power to choose. Today, Danny needs our help making choices in some tricky situations. But first... Wow! Cool! Okay, friends, we have a really special job today. There are a lot of boys and girls watching this video, and we're going to use our power to choose together. So, for example, should we read this story or should we put it away? Send your power of choice through the screen. Wow! Not everybody wanted to do the same choice, but more friends wanted to read this story, so that's the choice we'll go with together. Come on, let's get started. What should Danny do? Introducing The Power to Choose, 9 Stories in 1. Written by Gannett and Adair Levy. Illustrated by Matt Sadler. Hi, my name is Danny. My favorite thing in the whole world are soccer, superheroes, and ninjas. I also love skateboards, but I don't have one yet. You may be wondering why I'm wearing a cape, so I'll let you in on my secret. I'm a superhero in training. That means I have some powers, but I'm still working on the rest. For example, I jump super high. I run super fast. I have super muscles. And even though I can't fly just yet, I'm still working on it. Daddy says that my most important superpower of all is my power to choose. With this power, I can change my day by changing my choices. He even gives me the coolest cape so that I won't forget. Today is a special day because you'll be making choices for me. When you get to the end of the day, you can start over and make different choices. Then we'll see if the power to choose really does change my day. Ready? Let's go! Do I smell pancakes? I love pancakes. I zoom downstairs. Chocolate chip pancakes! I yell. But then I see my brother Charlie eating from our ninjutsu ninja plate. That plate is my favorite. I want the ninja plate, I say. I know you love that plate, Mommy says, but Charlie is already eating from it. She put 2 pancakes in front of me, but they're on the alphabet plate. I already know my alphabet. What should Danny do? Should he eat the pancakes on the alphabet plate or yell until he gets the ninja plate? Can I get the ninja plate next time, I ask? Mommy smiles and says, of course. The pancakes are delicious. I can feel them charging up my superpowers with every bite. After we finish, Mommy tells us to get ready because we're going to the park. Score! I love the park. Do you want to set up a lemonade stand while we're there, Mommy asks. Yes, I say. No way, Charlie pouts. I want to play at the park, not work. Mommy tells Charlie that he can play, but he won't get to share the money if he doesn't help me. I quickly get dressed, then make a big lemonade sign. I get 10 lemons, 2 pitchers, and just a bit of sugar. I'm lucky I have my super muscles to carry it all. I squeeze the lemons, but the last one is really hard. I summon my super strength and finally get the juice to come out. But then, oops! The juice squirts right into my eye. Ow! It stings so much I start to cry. Charlie laughs at me. What should Danny do? Should he stomp on Charlie's foot really hard? Or should he tell Charlie that wasn't nice? Laughing at me isn't nice, I tell Charlie. Mommy is happy I used my words to let Charlie know how I feel. She helps me rinse my eye and the stinging slowly goes away. I finish making the lemonade, and Mommy lets me have a whole glass. That makes my eye feel even better. We go to the park and Charlie runs off to play. At first, nobody wants my lemonade. But then a great idea pops into my head. I use my laser beam focus to turn the plain lemonade into super lemonade. I shout as loud as I can. Fresh squeezed super lemonade, only 50 cents. Drink some and get a superpower for the day. My idea works. After an hour, I have just 1 cup left. I see a girl running towards me. I use my mind-reading ability to see that she wants a superpower of her own. But then, oops! She trips and knocks my table down. The last cup of lemonade spills all over my shirt. What should Danny do? Should he help the girl up or yell at her for spilling his last cup? I help her up. I'm so sorry, she says. Don't worry, I tell her. It was just an accident. Her mom pays me a whole $1 for the cup she spilled, even though my mommy says she doesn't have to. Score! I made $26 from the lemonade stand. I remember to set $3 aside for charity, so I have $23 left. Mommy surprises me and takes me to the toy store because of how good I've been today. I know exactly what I want to get, and I've made just enough money to buy it. I get home and ride my skateboard down the street. Wow, I'm finally flying! Whoosh! My best friend Jakey sees me and says, "Whoa, Danny, how did you get that cool skateboard?" I tell him about my superpower lemonade and offer to help him make some next week. He's super excited. I'm proud of how you used your power to choose today, Danny, Mommy says. So I'll let you make one more choice. What we'll have for dinner? I wonder what food will charge my superpowers best. Ending number 1. Remember, if you read this story again and make different choices, there's 8 other endings. To Miss Ocasio and friends, may you always use your power to choose wisely. From Gannett and Adir Levy. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's story. And remember, we used the power of choice from lots of boys and girls and put them all together who were watching this episode. So if we made a choice that was different from yours, remember that you could always purchase this book on Amazon or rent it from your library and make the choices on your own. There are 9 different endings to this story. Can you read them all? Ask your grown-up for help in the description below, finding a fun activity to go along with this story. And never forget about your special power to choose. See you next time. Thanks for joining me today for Miss Ocasio Reads. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Share this video with your teachers and friends. Subscribe to read more stories with me. Connect with me on social media with the grown-ups' help to suggest the next story. And visit Miss Ocasio Meets to get to know your favorite authors. Thanks for watching.